Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A55 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with opening the phone dialer because I'd like to begin with a secret code. We have to enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with different information, and the serial number is right at the bottom of this pop-up window. So let's tap on OK. And of course we can also find it in the settings, so let's enter them. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find not the developer options, the About phone. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.